Thanks for joining Homebase. Let's walk through how to set up new Hire Onboarding and document storage. First, let's sign into your Homebase account at app.joinhomebase.com. With Homebase, you can send an onboarding packet for new hires to e-sign and complete by their first day of work, so you can skip the extra paperwork. All of your employees' signed documents are securely stored and organized in your Homebase account. First, let's set up and create an onboarding packet. Hover over the Team tab on the top navigation bar, then select New Hire Onboarding. To get started, check the box Enable the New Hire Packet. Then check the box Send the New Hire Packet to all new team members going forward. This will help keep onboarding efficient for all new hires. For the onboarding packet, you have the option to send an employee packet that includes payroll forms, W-4, I-9, direct deposit authorization, and any other state-required forms. You can also add custom documents such as employee handbook or business policies for your new hires to e-sign or acknowledge. Select Add a Custom Document, input the file name, click or drop your file, select the approval type, then select Upload. Your custom document is now added to your new hire packet. You also have the option to create a contractor-specific packet that includes the W-9 form, allowing your contractors to sign their paperwork in Homebase. Now just fill in your business information like your EIN and address to complete your onboarding packet. By default, only the owner of the account can view completed documents from employees, but you can change the permission and settings to give your managers access if needed. Once you are done customizing your packet, select Save. As easy as that, your onboarding packet is now good to go and ready to send out to your employees. Now to view and manage your employees' documents. Hover over the Team tab from the top navigation bar, then select Documents from the drop-down menu. From here, you can view, send, and track your employees' documents. If you enable the option to automatically send new employees the new hire packet, your packet will be automatically sent once they're added into Homebase. But if you like to manually send or would like to send to existing employees, select the blue plus sign. From here, you can upload paper documents that you already have to store on file in Homebase, or you can choose to send the specific document or even the entire new hire packet. Any documents that have a green check mark are completed and securely stored in Homebase. You can select the document to view, or you can send out another one if needed. From here, you'll be able to download or print the document. Once your employees complete their I-9 form, you'll be able to verify the documents. Select the document, then select Verify I-9. Confirm the employee's documents, and select Verify. Going back to the employee's I-9 document that we just verified, you'll be able to see a green check mark on the document and view the details of when and whom it was verified by. On the top corner, you can select Add a Document to add in other custom documents that you would like to keep on file for your team. With Homebase, new hire onboarding and document storage is something you no longer need to stress about. Still have questions? Visit support.joinhomebase.com.